This video shows how to make a basic statutory declaration in Victoria. A statutory declaration is a written statement of information that is witnessed by another person who is authorised to do so by law. You can type or write most of the statutory declaration before visiting an authorised witness, but don't sign it yet. This needs to be done in their presence. Visit an authorised statutory declaration witness. A list of people who can witness statutory declarations can be found at justice.vic.gov.au. In each other's presence, you must both sign or initial any alteration to the statutory declaration, sign or initial each page, and sign and date the statutory declaration. If the statutory declaration refers to a document, you must sign a certificate attached to the document, identifying it as an exhibit to the statutory declaration. In front of the witness, the person must say the required text. On the last page, the person making the statutory declaration must sign and date it. The witness must sign and write, type or stamp their name, personal or professional address, and their qualification as a statutory declaration witness. You have now made your statutory declaration. For more information, including a copy of the form and a list of people who can witness statutory declarations, visit justice.vic.gov.au.